Okay.
Pat, try to call your ally bubbles every time.
2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Yeah, time to heal up. Bad guys.
They're coming, I
Up
believe.
top. Someone's in my trap.
I killed Hanzo.
They have a widow again.
I tagged it.
Double sniper. They're in there.
They're wearing left lower, looks like it. We're staying high ground.
There's a widow up there. They're down someone right now, so they're probably
Widow's
regrouping.
trying to snipe. Careful for her jump shots.
It's here. Right side, Ryan's
Right
peeking.
side, Ryan.
Always watch the widow.
What's up? Hanzo too.
He's here.
Left side.
Yeah, I'm hit.
Yeah.
Okay, drop.
Dropping?
Stun Ryan.
Dropping Zarya?
Zarya, alone.
I'm ping heals. Focus Ryan. Focus Ryan, focus Ryan, focus Ryan.
Minus.
Point.
Point, take point, 5 point.
Bubble, go.
Widow top by the boxes.
Kill the support now.
Widow's still there by the boxes.
Big anti.
Fight.
Ana. I'm one.
Kill the center.
Right here. Snipes.
Oh my
Here.
fucking snipes.
Is this, do we win this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have tire. We can combo with Zarya.
Careful, don't peek.
I don't think they'd have beat yet.
No, probably not. They spent some time regrouping, so.
And they don't have shatter.
Oh, widow jumping. Main.
Are we going back to high ground? Go back up top,
High ground.
Come back up top.
Are they running double sniper?
Yeah.
Someone's in my trap.
Yeah, right. Alright, I'm dropping.
Don't jump.
Take this. No else.
Widow's done.
Good job.
Get the
Someone
Zarya.
clip
Come.
Someone clip that deflex.
What do you do?
Careful,
Got
side, careful.
walls.
Hey, come back.
It's just a scratch. You'll be fine.
You're there.
I ran sleeping.
I'm gonna charge out
Kill
in just a
this.
sec.
Let's see if we
Watch
can.
it.
Sorry, Anna.
You're powered up.
I'm
Get
not
in
all
there.
think
You
for
go
this.
aggressive, We have pigs.
Might shatter here.
Kill him.
I don't think we needed a beat drop there.
Blocked it.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna grab
You're purple, didn't you, sir?
I'm gonna shatter in a second.
Okay, it's okay.
Hanzo
Right.
right.
He's triggered.
Watch the Zarya, Vince.
See, guys, we gotta be. If we win the fight, we don't ult. Like that's. We don't need to use ult if we have to fight one.
I nanoed Ryan there because he got dragoned off and he was in like, a really bad position. Yeah, that's for sure.
Just for the future, it's all good. Just for the future, like if we have picks on them, the rest we can kill them without having.
I was charging out, and then you nanoed me, and I was like, fuck.
No,
We have nano blade here.
Should we use tire first though?
Yeah. Tire we should use whenever we have it.
What about my grab? Still waiting.
Yeah, we
Pushed up.
We do.
Entire grab.
Okay, peel back.
Never mind. Hey, shield broken.
Come on, Anthony, ready? Dashing up.
Double, right?
Fuck, dude, I can see this fucking building.
Someone needs to block those obvious.
Someone's triggered.
Behind you.
I'm dead.
Can't get that set. They got it. Move around. Don't go out there. You can test him up here.
I'm mapping heals.
Wait for a shatter. If we break his shield.
Can we break
Gonna
his
break-
shield? We can never break his fucking shield.
What?
Oh, you still had it.
Come back, Demi, have bubble.
We're down to Ryan. We gotta back up. Get out. have to go for Nano and Shatter here. Your health combo.
McCree's
Vince,
far
if you
away.
can focus the shield this fight.
Yeah, I will. Hanzo's top. Up
You
top.
ready? 3, 2, 1,
Powered
Nano.
up. Get in there.
Watch out, Ash, go left.
Guys sleeping, guys sleeping.
Let her sleep!
Nano shit, Nano shit.
Holy shit.
Let's go. I'm gonna have one contest. I've beaten 5.
Hanzo?
Oh, you marked me. Yeah.
No, got headshot as I was beating. Fuck Christ.
Oof!
Okay. Problem is we got no value off any of our ults. Like we used them and then we lost fights.
Yeah.
So we gotta be better at coordinating what we're gonna do, and like we have to get value off using them. Because if we're gonna put like 3 or 4 ults into a fight and lose it, then we're just gonna get snowballed the entire rest of the way.
Yeah.
Valor, wanna add anything?
So with that comp, we can't afford to play defensively. So, like, if we had a Zen, we could counter the Grav every time, but we don't have a Zen. We have an Ana Genji, so you guys kind of have to coordinate the ults that you're going to use.
Yeah,
Like the
man,
thing-
when you dash there, like it was literally like just out of my
Yeah,
sight.
but that's why I always ask, are you ready? And if I hear the yes, then I'm gonna go for the dash
Okay.
up.
Okay,
If you say you're not ready, I'm not gonna go for it. But if I
Okay.
if I hear the green light, I'm going for it.
Okay, okay,
Just for
yeah.
the future. But if you say like you're not ready, then I won't take it.
Okay, alright.
And Valor, since you know me and Slev are the newest additions, is there any like things you noticed as a spectator that you could guide us towards improving? Like anything that you saw, like I don't know, positioning or whatever?
Okay, so when Reckoning was playing Junkrat on defense, you guys won the first fight because he used ult, but you still have to call it. Like, you have to tell your team that you're using
Okay.
like you, because otherwise your team is going to waste ults. You're going to use like more than one ult and lose.
Okay.
And another thing, like I think on attack, Patrick got slept on Hog. And there were like 3 of them, like on the first point after you capped it. Like you as Ryan, you still have to go and peel for him or save him because you were playing main and he was slept on the right side. Like I know he was going to flank like a couple of times, but you guys still have to help each other.
Okay. So calling ults and
Well, you just gotta tell me, like, if you're going right.
Yeah,
I
like
know.
so if you guys get slept or anything, just call it. Like don't say nothing. It's not.
I think I know what's wrong. We don't have a coordinated portrait. This is the issue. Player icon.
Let's all go Shanghai Dragon.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
No, I just want to add. Wait, I want to add something.
Oh. Okay, go ahead. Just say it. Wait, well,
I mean, when I grab, can we combo at least? Like,
yeah,
I
no,
don't,
absolutely.
I don't
Like,
care
we're
if
getting-
it's all